Welcome to First Take Math with Brian Thomas. My famous photographer Lance is going to help us out today. Our first lesson we're going to do today is going to be place value. In our country, we really didn't work with numbers first. The base 10 system actually comes from the Arabics. So we have this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are our numbers that we work with. A big thing we work with in our numbers is place value. So when we deal with whole numbers, we have what we call the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, the thousands, the 10,000s, the 100,000s, and the millions place. It's also important to note that we want to use a comma for numbers 10,000 or larger. So any number that's 10,000 or larger, we need to be using a comma for that. And what I want to do today basically is talk about what we refer to as expanded notation. I'm going to do a few examples here. First number we have is 97. And if I look at it by place value, we have a 90 and a 7. So we have 90 plus 7. To put that in expanded notation, we write that as 9 times 10 plus then 7 times 1. Again, the parentheses aren't necessary in this problem, but it helps us to see that there are two things going on. So we have parentheses around the 9 and the 10 and the 7 and 1. The order of operations would dictate that we'd multiply before we add anyway, but it really helps us to see the problem using parentheses there. Another example, just a model, is we have 285. And to put it in this expanded notation, we have 2 100ths plus then 8 tens plus then 5 ones. And that again is what we refer to as expanded notation. And then the last example here, we have 36,785. This one you have to watch out for. A lot of people want to say 36,000s or 36 1,000s, but again, we want to break it down by place value. So we start with a 3. We have 3 10,000s, and then we have 6. Looks like I messed up there. A little 6 timeout here. So we need 6 1,000s. There we go. 7 100ths. We have 8 tens and 5 ones. Again, for place value, you really want to break it down by each place value. So that's going to conclude our first episode here. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video.